So friends, welcome back to this series of AngularJS. So in the previous video, you might have seen that how you can handle the click events, how you can handle the uh, propagation of the events from lower level to the top level elements in the DOM. So those things we discussed, and today we are going to discuss about the filtering of the events, right? So let me just remove this div element. There is no use of this div element. Let me just remove this, and let me just remove this function as well, which was used as a handler. So let me just remove it, and this has been removed. Now this is also not needed. Now suppose my requirement is that if someone has pressed the enter key, then in that case only my message that hello, you just click the button, this should be displayed only when someone has pressed the enter key, not every key, right? So I need to provide one input button here. So let me just do this. So input, and here I need to provide key dot enter, or you can say like um, what is the name of the event. Let me just check. On key up, right? So key up event is there. So let me just provide the name of that event. So here I'm providing key up because key up is the correct event for the input. So you can see what are the valid events for an input. You can just Google it for the input, and you will be able to see for the Angular how many events and what are those syntaxes. All those are available over the internet, over the Google. You can search it. So here I'm just doing like this on key up, right? So on key up I have written it here, and I'm just going to provide the name here on key up, and here I need to provide the dollar event. Okay, so I have provided it, and now what I will do, if event dollar event dot key up dot enter is equal to true, then only I need to give this message. Okay, so this is my code, and let me see if it is compiled or not. Okay, so it is showing me on click, so this on click is not there, so that is why it is creating the problem. So let me just remove it for now, and now let's see if it gets compiled or not. Okay, so it's compiled successfully, and now what I will do, I will simply do like this Vikas, and I will press enter. When I will press the enter, then it should display the message, right? So let me see what has happened wrong. Okay, so key code is 13 for the enter, so you need to provide the key code. So here you need to do key code is equal to 13, then only it should print the message. So let me see. So I just need to print something here Vikas, and then press enter, right? So once I press enter, then only it will show you the message. You just click the button keyboard event. Okay, so this is how it is captured here. But if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to pass this event object, then also you can follow this. And what you need to do, let me just show you. You just need to do one thing. You need to provide it key up dot enter, and just need to remove this event, and now you will be able to see this message. You just click the button. Just you just click the button rather than this. You need to print you pressed enter key. Okay, so let me see what happens now. So let me write it. So you just click the button because it, yeah, you just click the button. Why it is not happening? Because I have just not refreshed it. So Vikash, you press the enter key. Now you can see that the new message is coming after the compilation. Okay, so this is the way you can itself filter it here, and you can just use it. And suppose you want to provide the value of the value which has been provided inside the input, then what you will do? For that, what you need to do, you can provide here a name of a variable, like this is the name, something like name, and then you can provide like uh, name here, and here also you can check it like name is here. You provided the name, you can do something like this. You provided the name plus name. Okay, so this is the way you can do this, and let's see what happens. It is compiled successfully, and let me just provide the name here and then print. You provided the name object HTML input element, which is not the correct thing to print. So name dot value, or you can say like it's name dot value, you should provide it here. Then in that case it should be compiled fine and it should give me the correct result. So here let me just provide my name Vikas and then press enter, and you can see that you provided the name Vikas, right? So I hope you now got the point that how you can do this. So you have provided this hash name is equal to on key up name dot value. Okay, so this is the way you can do this, and I hope you might have understood that how you can use it and how you can pass the values to this. And in the next video, we'll see that how we can use a class variable to provide the name or provide the attribute values, and how you can print that, and how you can communicate in both ways, from the component to the display and from the display to the component. How you can do that, we will see in the next video. So till then, have a nice day and bye-bye.